We are asking the court to order a forensic examination of that case. On that case. 25 minutes. Because has he already started the process? I don't believe he's been interviewed, Your Honor. The competency hearings on those matters are October 30th. That was last. So, sometime October.
Informative and conversational. When the judge orders a forensic examination, that means they want mental health experts to evaluate whether the defendant is mentally fit to stand trial. Basically, can he understand the charges, and can he help his lawyer defend him? This is a crucial step that can change the entire course of the case.
What are we doing? Your Honor, in the bond violation matter, we've asked to continue our plea of mute at this time. That bond violation arose from the charges he is now facing in the felony case 1326. Which is charged as a felony. Ms. McDuffie apprised the court that there is a tether tamper, which gave rise to bond violation. He has been charged with felony for tether tampering, so I think this time we would have. Yes, Your Honor. That's another one.
There was an error on the you are having it should be a general
Yeah, this is wrong. Alright. We would just ask to continue our plea of mute and continue these cases to the competency hearing.
So, he's going to remain in custody?
Your Honor, he's working with a social worker. We are asking, or between now and October 30th, we are hoping to file a written motion, I think something substantive that gives the court a better idea.
What's the objection? The thing is, as I understand the comment of the tether, he cut the tether, he didn't go anywhere. Or I'm saying, it worked. And he didn't go anywhere. He was right there with him, so big.
That's my understanding as well, Your Honor. If the court would consider it, then I'd ask that he be released back to home confinement.
Engaging tone. Hold up, the judge just said what? He cut the tether, but didn't go anywhere? That's like saying you broke the rules, but didn't really break them. The tension here, is this a genuine cry for help, or just an excuse? Watch how the judge handles this balance between mercy and law.
Response?
Yes, I'm reading about the bench hearing. I don't have to leave him remain on the position that he was on prior to this incident. I'm concerned that given that we have now
Suppose if I let you go back home, you're going to cooperate and do the right thing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that means you can't tamper with the tether.
I understand now.
You understand that?
Yes.
Or you understand it before you?
I had a moment of anxiety that led to a freak out. Yes. And that I felt like I needed to get it off me because it was claustrophobic.
Yeah.
Yes.
I knew it. Alright. He's going to be part of me. I don't know if there are funds available to try to beat over payment for this.
Empathetic and thoughtful. That moment right there, raw honesty. Samuel's admitting anxiety drove his actions. You can feel the human side of this case, a man trapped not just by a tether, but by his own mental state. It's one of those times where justice and empathy collide head-on.
Do you know family-wise what?
Your Honor, we have been in contact with his family. It's certainly something I can ask on.
Pardon?
It's certainly something I can ask his family. They are here.
They are here. That's correct. That's okay. Okay. Samuel,
Sure.
I'll give you another shot. You gonna try to do the right thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna do it. I think you can do it.
You too.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
So what's gonna have to happen is somebody's got to pay money for the strap that on your cat. You'll reinstate the bond with your previous home, right? And then they'll have to do that. They'll have a tether on now, right?
That's correct.
Okay, so they'll have to fit you with a new one prior to.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Don't let me down. Hear me?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, may I add one thing? After
Sure.
consulting with Mr. Peoples' family, they are asking the court if Mr. Peoples has any kind of crisis or something like that, if he can be transferred to Trinity Ann Arbor without necessarily violating the confinement. I know it's tricky to do, but they can alternatively contact me and I can talk to the Tether agent if it arises.
Response.
I think the last hearing, we supposed to get taken up in the hospital. That wasn't going to be the issue regardless. He was they were simply to know how to address it, what happened and where they are. And if there were any sort of deviation from the whole assignment zone, then it was the plan, which was we need to know about the so that the court was trying to know. Yeah, Tether this time.
Actually, what happened last time was Mr. The public defender came up on all Mr. Peoples' behalf with communication from CMH and a request, I believe, from his family that they're aware of certain triggering events for Mr. That on those triggering events arising, what they were looking for was some leeway from the court to allow them to take what action, not necessarily they had to go to Trinity and it's fine, medical thing at that point. But from what I understood and what was explained to the court, sometimes they just kind of bring it back and do whatever. I'm not using medical terms. I think you get what my understanding is.
Sharp and insightful. Now this is fascinating, the court's grappling with how far home confinement can stretch. Can someone under strict bond conditions take a mental health walk? This moment shows how justice isn't always black and white, sometimes it's a negotiation between rules and reality.
We were looking at them, people were absolutely not. Well, that's what you said. That's what you said. The bench. If you're telling me I'm wrong, then you better be clean, dude, right now.
Well, right now, what I said was no to the request for a touching, not for whole life. That's what it's really.
When he asked whether or not they could leave, you objected vehemently, which is why I came to the decision that what I was going to do was I was told Mr. And I made it very clear, we'll bring him in here. Because what I told him very clearly is fine, you can ask for permission, but maybe we're just in a situation to ask for forgiveness. Let the family do what they need to do. That's what you said. That was your. Stop talking. you huff one more time, you're gonna have a problem. Childers, McDuffie, Mr. Brown, Miss Yadin, my king.
Your Honor, I'm very familiar with Mr. Peoples' case. The court wants to proceed.
Alright. We've got this out here, people on this one. So, I think we can finish this out. Here's what I'm doing. This new case had $100,000 bond. I'm going to keep his bond in case match the bond with the condition is up. Otherwise, he would be held on the. He'll be refitted with a tether on. He'll be refitted with a GPS home confinement tether prior to the release. My understanding is family paid $175 to the correction, so they'll get back to and all prior conditions are released. And so.
Energetic, close. So after all that back and forth, Samuel's getting another shot, a new tether, another chance at freedom. The judge clearly sees potential, but this is the last lifeline. What do you think? Was this the right call, or should the system be stricter after a violation like that? Drop your thoughts below.